Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, we will troubleshoot the issue. Windows apps are not working on your Windows. So how to troubleshoot this issue? We will go step by step. So in order to fix this issue, it is recommended that you should try the troubleshooter option first. So go to start menu, then click on setting option. Click on update and security after that. On the left side, click on troubleshoot and choose this option additional troubleshooters. Okay, and scroll it down and look for Microsoft's apps. Okay, this option Windows Store apps, click on that and run the troubleshooter. Okay, it will try to resolve your issue automatically. If not, we can move to the second method. Okay, so let's wait. Now you will get this option. Click on next. Okay, close this option. Okay, so this has not fixed the problem. We can go to the second method. Okay, in the second method we will run some commands to reinstall the all the missing apps inside our Windows. So open the PowerShell with the admin mode, right click on it, run it as administrator. Yes option when the prompt opens. Okay, and hit this command. This is the command. Copy this command. You will get this command into my description box and you need to paste here. Let me copy it and you need to hit enter. Once you hit enter like this, okay, all the missing apps and all the application will be reinstalled automatically. So let's wait for the process to complete, and if you get any red error, ignore that. One thing also, you need to make sure that you should close all the applications before running this command. I'm pausing for this video right now. I will show you once it is completed. Okay, now the command has been completed and ignore the red errors. Okay, so close this option and restart your system. And restart your system, your issue will be fixed. Okay, so let me restart my system, that I will proceed the video. Okay, so I have restarted my system. If your issue is still not resolved, we can go to the CMD and run as administrator and hit this command. Okay, and it will go to 100%. Restart your system. SFC stands for system file checker, and which will scan the corruption inside your Windows. And also you need to make sure that you are using the latest Windows. This is also important for you. Okay, you can click this option, check for update, and make sure you are getting the option check for latest Windows. Okay, you are up to date, which should be a green tick like me. So hopefully your issue will be resolved. If still not resolved, if any particular program are not running, then you can go to add or remove program and remove that program and reinstall it. Okay, and remove that particular program and your issue will be fixed. So hope your issue is fixed now. If your issue is fixed, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching.